Right, how you doing, guys? I thought I'd just do a quick video on the kind of setup that I've got on my gear when I record, when I do point of view. I've had some comments about the audio has been a bit rubbish, so this is what I've currently got, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to try and upgrade to so this sounds better. So I've obviously got the 20S, the Sena, which is this little bad boy here, which I've been using for a long time on group comm chats and just having my phone paired, listening to music while I'm riding along on the bike, or when we go for long rides, and I want to record stuff. I've got a old Hero 4 Black Edition, I think, and it comes with this Sena little plug-in, which you obviously just turn on, and you just turn this on and off, which is the mic, which is what you want to say, whether you want to use the mic connected to the Sena or just the mic in here. There is a mic in here. But that just pairs in, a little clip that goes in. Okay, and then obviously that Bluetooths to this. So inside here is a little mic that's wired from down there. That wire goes all the way underneath to my chin. And obviously this is a Amazon GoPro mount that goes nicely across the whole chin. So this is a Shui NXR helmet, which is my riding everyday day-to-day helmet. Fits nice, and obviously the GoPro, once the case is on, just sits there, perfect angle. But yeah, so I need to upgrade all this audio so I can now use my GoPro 8. So I can do good video with this, but I can't get any sound on it. So what you have to do, you got to get this thing, the Media Mod, which I've seen some mixed reviews on it. And then you got to get a splitter cable and then another cable, and you got to use the mic input on that, connect it to this, but then this also needs to go back to the Sena with the mic by my mouth so you can hear everything. So I will see how long this is going to take to sort out. All right, stay tuned. All right, so I've run the wire from the audio, from the headphone out. So my headphones are still connected. These are the crappy ones there. These are the ones that come with the Sena. I've still got my internal mic, which is there. I've then used this headphone lead, this 3.5mm sort of extension lead, which I'm gonna stick all the way down the side of there. It's then I'll have to work something out how it's gonna come out of there. And then it plugs into the back of my GoPro. So in theory, if I put my helmet on and talk into the GoPro, we should see some footage. So hopefully I should merge into that shot next. Hello? So I don't know if this is working or not. I can't hear anything in my headphones. Normally when you do the joggle dial, you hear something in the audio. So I'm gonna quickly flip back and check it out, see if it works. Right, so I've taken the bits out of the helmet. Helmet's just there. Just to go over what I think is happening is, so the sound is going to the GoPro. So from here, it is being output through the headphone port on the front. So that sounds fine. So my mic is picking it up. It is playing the sound. So this little tiny mic, which is not too bad, is picking it up through there, through that wire, is then going through the headphones, through this lead, into the GoPro. So that sound is going on the video, which is good. Thing is, I can't hear anything in my speakers that were in there. So I think that's where this bad boy comes in, is a splitter. So I now have to split the signal from the headphone. One plugs in there, and then I'm gonna have to get some internal earbuds that go in there, and then we should be done and have some good audio. So that will make sense. Yeah, let's see what happens in the future. Cool, thanks.